Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a gluten-free cake and it's an orange almond cake. So it uses whole oranges. You boil them and then you blend them up and you mix it with almond meal and eggs and then you cook it. So no flour, and it does have some baking powder in it. Just make sure that your baking powder is gluten-free, and this is a gluten-free recipe. So let's get on with it and see what we need. So the oranges have now been cooked. They were just over an hour and I have cooled them. Now what I did, I decided I had that big pot. I'm cooking 2 oranges in it. I could easily fit 2 more. So I stuck 2 more oranges in it. So I've done 4 oranges. So I'm going to be doubling this recipe. And what I've also done, I'll just show you down here. What I've also done, I have greased my pans and lined them. Now I don't have 2 springform pans the same size, so I've got a larger one and a smaller one, so I'll be splitting the mixture accordingly. I won't be splitting it evenly, obviously. And we'll just put those aside. I have put my oven on to preheat, and that needs to preheat to 170 degrees. Oops, I'm getting my bowl out and I don't need that yet. What I do need is my blender. So I've got my blender here. Actually, I just move that over. Before I can blend, I need to cut my oranges up. So it's a whole orange that we're using. They're really, really soft now that they've been boiling. And we just need to cut it into quarters. And what I'm looking for here is, are there any seeds in here? Which there's not. So no seeds in there. And then they can go into the jug for blending. Just take some of that out. So we'll just blend that up, and then I'll do the other 2 that are here, and I'll put them in this bowl here, and we'll come back when that's done. And there you have it. That is all the oranges blended. Nothing in there but the oranges. Okay, so we're just going to set that aside, and the next thing we need to do is to beat our eggs. Now we need 5 eggs for the recipe. Because I'm doubling it, I'm going to be putting 10 eggs into the bowl. Now this cake can be made ahead of time. It'll store well in the fridge, or you can even freeze it. Now we need to beat the eggs with our caster sugar, and we'd normally use 250 grams, but because I'm doubling it, I'll be using 500. There we go. So just sprinkle that on top, and then we'll beat that, and I'll come back when that's beaten to the consistency that we need. So we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, we need 500 grams of almond meal, which I'll measure out. Oops, it helps if you turn it on first. So we need 500 grams of almond meal. That's it, perfect. So we need to add the almond meal, and we need to add our orange pulp. Okay, we just need to mix that again. And that's it, that's thoroughly mixed. And now we just have to put it into our prepared pans. There we have it. I'm just going to pop it in the oven. Now, as I said, the oven is preheated to 170 degrees. I'm going to bake this in the oven for 1 hour. Right, we'll come back when that's done. After it's baked, I need to cool it in the tin for 20 minutes, so I'll come back after it's cooled. Okay, there you have it. They're out the oven. They've been out for about 20 minutes. I'll just get something to put them on. Even though they've been out the oven for 20 minutes, they still feel quite warm. So let's see what we've got. And there's our paper on the bottom. We'll just peel that off. And there we have it. There's one of them. Don't need to send me there to the other one. It looks lovely. It smells lovely. I will decorate it with some a dusting of icing sugar and a little bit of orange zest. That's all I'm going to be doing with it. But one of these is for 3 days time, so I'm going to pop it in the freezer until I need it. The other one I don't need it, so that's going to go in the freezer for later too. So I won't decorate them now. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it.